Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a quick haul here today for you. I have some stickers that are new for me and also new in the shop, more or less, or at least within the last, let's say, 3-6 months. New. These two right here are new. These are rather new and these have been in her store. And then these are customs. So let's get into it because it's going to be a very short haul. So I got the video chat in rainbow. I got sent email in rainbow. Relax and unplug. I think this is in colorful. It could be wrong. I'm pretty sure it's in colorful. This one is in colorful. These are the shoes. These I've gotten before. These Crockpot, Instapot. These I've gotten before. These two right here are newer to her shop, the House Littles and the Clock Littles. These I got in colorful. This I have not bought before, but it is in her shop. I'll make sure to link it down below. This is under TV, I want to say, but this is for Amazon Prime. I've been watching a lot of Viking, so why not mark it? And then I have my customs. This is a repurchase right here. This is Rainbow Scheme. This is font 6, I believe. 4 or 6, I can never remember. But I got it in preschool again. This is, again, a repurchase. And then these are new to me. I got, well, more or less. I got these. This is the custom header. This is custom name of the header, and I also custom the color. My daughter's favorite color is red, so figured I would mark that or make it extra special. And then she's also going to be getting physical therapy. There isn't a physical therapy sticker in the shop yet, so I got the I believe it's the custom assigned class assignment, something like that, but I'll link it down below. I got physical therapy and it's in the scheme. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed my very quick haul, and I will see you guys in my next video, which will be very soon. Bye guys.